What is up, YouTube? It's the Hitman here, coming to you. Went to, you guessed it, Target. Picked up a couple of, let me get this back out. Picked up a couple of blaster boxes, 2013 Bowman Blasters. This real quick. I came out, oh shit, the hobby came out yesterday. I haven't been to my hobby shop yet, so. And the blaster, I think the blasters came out last week, or the retail came out last week, but I saw some of the boxes being busted yesterday at the hobby box at Card Infinity. A couple of nice things came out, not too bad. Cards look good. So I like this product. I like the chrome cards out of this too. But this product looks pretty good this year. Of course, the 7 packs plus 1 pack, and there's only two videos that I saw last night that are out there on the YouTube right now of the blaster boxes being broken, and seen a couple of autos. One guy had 2 autos. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I don't know. For some reason, one of these boxes felt. They had 3 boxes there. I only picked up 2, and one of these boxes feels a little bit heavier than the other one. And some nice color came out of one of the other boxes that I saw. So here we go. And they're doing that wrapper redemption on this for the Blue Wave. Nice looking product. Anthony Goose. Ooh, already for the PC. Oh, let me get this back out a little bit more. Adrian Beltre. Got a Matt Weisler. This guy looks funny. And we got the Ismail Gullion. I think every pack of these Aradis Correa. Asrodbo Correa. However you pronounce his last name. I don't even his first name. The gold Jose Altuve. Ooh, nice. The old-fashioned Astros uniform in my chrome. Oh wow! And I was looking for this guy. This guy's his cards, even his chrome cards and stuff like that. They're going for pretty good money on eBay right now. Is Carlos Correa, the #1 draft pick for the Houston Astros. And that's chrome, and then I got and that's, what is this? Yeah, it just says Bowman Chrome of Carlson Kelly. And then we got Hishi Aruka, or whatever I pronounce his name, I don't want to mess it up. And we got a Alicet Escobar. So like I said, nice looking cards, and they had some other, what else did I see come out of the boxes? Matt Kemp. I don't know if anybody's seen the video that, I think it was on Sunday, after they lost to the San Francisco. He ended up going over and visit with a Dodgers fan, and apparently the kid has cancer, and they said he had like less than a month and a half to live. He went over there to go like meet him, and the kid handed him a ball. He signed the ball. He gave him his hat, his jersey, and his shoes. That was like totally awesome of Matt Kemp. Looks like I got something black in here. Paul Goldschmidt, Brandon Mueller, messing up his last name, for the Mariners. Alrighty. Tanner Wright. Okay, I got a gold. Oh, it's a prospect card. Gold Joseph Johnson. I think every pack. I don't like these gold cards. Not these anyway. The prospect card. Okay, I got a chrome of Corey Vaughn. Got a Brett Garatzisi. Can't say his last name. From the Yankees, another chrome. Okay, then I got a Justin Moreau and an AJ Burnett. Alrighty. Let's see what else. For San Francisco, Ryan Balskelson. Got a Paul Esbanez, a Yasmir Gerardo, a Lucas Glot. Can you say his last name? Corey Dickerson. Got a gold of Ricky Weeks. Chrome of Michael Taylor. Chrome of Yadier Danilo Ventura for the Kansas City Royals. Coco Crisp and Tom Malone. So if was it this product? I think it was this product a guy pulled, was it, or was it, no, I think it was 2012. Guy pulled out of a blaster box a gold refractor. Aaron Hill, Hayward Kendrick, Gabriel and China's. Oh, card took off. It's alright. It's for the Yankees. Don't like the Yankees. Foodlin, cool. Oh my goodness. From the Yankees.
You've got mail.
Uh-oh, I got some mail, they said. I should turn down the volume. Hold on real quick. Gold of Danin Vecino. Brian Goodwin Chrome. Nice card right there. Got the guy that just got that Foodlin Cool, whatever his name is. The Japanese player. Chrome card. Oh, there's a rookie card in here. Fernando Rodney, Curtis Granderson, and rookie of Adam Eaton. Rookie card. Let's see, Jason Worth, Dexter Flowers, Flip, Steven Romo, William Astudillo. Got a gold of Barry Zito. Oh, cool. We got one of the state cards or the international cards. I think some of them are state, some are international. I'm not too sure. Texas Ranger, Gerardo Bears. Nice right there for my PC. Texas Rangers. And we got a chrome of Mikeson Alberto. Another chrome of Alberto Aldebileto. Can't even say his last name, just show y'all. Chrome card. Then Avery Perez and Nick Martin. Oh, rookie card. Another rookie card. I would have rather taken a rookie card in every pack than a gold. Oh, here's another rookie. Did not see that. There's a rookie card right there. I gotta go back through here and check my rookies. CC Sabathia. Oh, I got a refractor. Billy Butler. William Oliver, Matt Sitting, gold rookie Casey Kelly. That's a gold rookie. Oh, it's a mini. The mini refractor of Max Fried. Mini refractor. That was what else did they had under the mini refractors. Okay, chrome is Sam Selman. Rookie of Tolliver Rosenthal. Rookie. Alright, we got a Dean and a Oswaldo Cabrera. There is his last name. Oswaldo Cabrera. Anderson Gonzalez, Adrian Gonzalez, Matt Moore, Roy Halladay. I think he's gone for the season. He has to have shoulder surgery. Helen Spawn, won't say his last name. And a Bruce Random, there it is, gold rookie of Jurickson Profar for the PC. Oh, I got that. It's the reprint rookie cards. I got the reprint rookie card of Mario. It's at first when I first saw it, when I looked it up on eBay, not eBay, on Google, wanted to see pictures. They showed this in a 4-shot. I swear, because it's like this far from the when you look at the picture at first, I thought it was Tiger Woods. I was like, what is Tiger Woods doing on a baseball card? But that's Mariano Rivera. Yeah, it's a nice card. Nice chrome card right there. Refractor. That's a nice one. And I got a Todd Kibbe is my other chrome. And Josh Johnson. And a Ricky Weeks. Last pack from this blaster. Let's see what we get. Ryan Zimmerman, Yardy Molina, Max White, Danny Salazar. Oh wow, another gold for the PC. Elvis Andrews. And done cold card. Okay, Rafael Montero is one of my chromes. And a Josh Perez, shortstop for the Braves, is my other chrome. Danny Visito and Barry Zito. Alrighty, that was that. That was that blaster. Coming on to the second blaster. Alrighty, Carlos Santana flip. Got a Brandon Phillips flip back. A Kristen Villanueva. A Lenny Linsky. A gold of Little Tim. Alrighty, flip back this way. Aroldis Chapman. Aroldis Chapman, I guess the country flags or whatever. Chrome is Corey Hall. And Tyler Gonzalez is the other chrome. Rookie of Casey Kelly. Ooh, base rookie of Jurickson Profar. Cool. Cool. Nice. Alrighty. And then they have, I think they have some die cuts in there, some real nice looking ones. Jason Hayward, David Wright, Chris Sales. Oh wow, some nice looking uniforms. I haven't seen those. It's the White Sox, but they're in a red uniform. Wow, that's pretty cool. Flip, we got a, not even gonna try to tear up his name. And we got a base card, Cody Buckles. Sure, hitting a bunch of PC cards. Flip gold of Josh Beckett. Oh wow, it's a nice card. Oh, this is what it is, a top Bowman 100. Top Bowman 100. Number 47, I believe, I guess he is Nolan Araldo, something like that. Let's see if you can see his name. There it is. Nice looking card, nice looking, like a chrome card. Oh, that's nice. And my other chrome card is Jesse Hanna. And we got a base of Elvis Andrews. And we got the base of the Freak. Wow. I'm sure get a lot. Texas Rangers just need my U-Darv. Brandon Beachy. Albert Pujols. Dilson Herrera for the Pirates. A Shane Boyles. Oh yeah. Look at that. For the PC gold, Mike Olt rookie card. Wish there was a gold refractor. I guess this is that I guess the cracked ice. Evan Rutke. I can't even say his last name. But it's the ice card. The cracked ice, whatever you want to call it. That's a nice looking card. And my other chrome is Mitch Johnson. This is the other chrome card. Oh wow, got another chrome. I thought that would be considered one of the chrome, but here got the other chrome. I guess that cracked ice didn't count for the chrome. And then we got a Josh Beckett and a Mike Olt base card, regular. Woo! I'm just getting everybody that for my Rangers. Just need Ian Kinsler, and Yu Darvish. Have I got a Beltran? Yeah, the first one was a Beltran. I need Nelson Cruz. Those are the guys that I get. Of course, all the pitchers, but let's see. Stanton, Miguel Montero, Jamie Callahan, Mitch Ney, gold of Jerry Familia. Okay, rookie. It's a rookie gold though. Got a mini of Corey Seager, mini chrome refractor. And then my other chrome is Christian Batacourt. Just got him right now in the gold. Now I got his base. And then I got a Didi What the hell his last name is. A rookie card. And a Desmond Jennings base. Down to 4 packs. And I got a mail day. It should be coming in today. It's an awesome card. I picked it up off of eBay. Wait till I get it. Can't wait to get it. Jason Mott, Todd Frazier, Travis Shaw, Real Reese from the Astros. Real Reese. Wow, they actually got some Astros in this product. Not too many Astro players come out besides that, what's his name, Altuve. Didi, right? I just got him right now. And I got him in this gold, rookie gold. Alrighty, flip. And I got a Matthew Koch. I guess this is a Flags card. And then we got Dilson Herrera, chrome. And we got a Wyatt Matheson, chrome. And then we got a Neil Walker and a Ben Zorbitz. Down to 3 packs, ladies and gentlemen. Not too bad, not too bad. No auto or anything, but that's got a lot for my PC. Marcus, I can't say his last name, but I know who he is, though. He's a good player. Giants. And we got another Jose Tatuvia, however you say his last name. Oh, no, not right there. Well, I'll just put him there for right now. Was the other one a flag? Oh, that's why the other one was a flag. Okay. We got a Mikeson Alberto. Wyatt Matheson. We got a gold of Desmond Jennings. A prospect card. Roman Quinn. Chrome. We got a Jason Aquino Chrome. A Doug Fister and a there it is, the Mike Trout. Oh man, that pack took off flying. See, we need to get a Bryce Harper. Get a Harper in this, which I doubt it. A Roldis Chapman, a Brian McCain, Flip, Stephen Moya, Anderson Felice, a Neil Walker Gold. Blue border, John Lester, blue border. I think these are numbered, yeah, to 500. John Lester, 299 out of 500. My chrome is Carlos Sanchez. It's my first chrome. Second chrome is Shane Boyles. Adam Dunn and a let's see. There was a picture. Saw the arm. Matt Harrison, Texas Rangers for the PC. Last pack, ladies and gentlemen. Last pack of these 2 blasters. Alright, let's see. Let's make this good. Michael Bourne, Ryan Howard, Brian Braxton, I'll let y'all look at that one. I can't say it. And we got a gold of Ben Zorbitz. Oh, wow! And the auto's usually never in that last pack like that. Got an autograph of Anthony Mio. I guess he's the pitcher, huh? That's what it'd be. No, Miope. Wow, got an autograph. Was not expecting that because I was already at the end of the last pack. It's usually in the middle pack somewhere. Taylor Hempson is chrome. Wow, and that's it. And I even said let's end it off nice. And a Ryan some chrome. Let's see, and we got a rookie of Tyler Sags and a Kazui Fujikawa rookie. And the rookie card. Wow. Not too bad, not too bad. Out of the 2 blasters, I hit an auto. That was pretty cool. I'm just gonna toss these wrappers because by the time I get the rest of them, they will be sold out of the Blue Wave packs. They will be sold out, and I won't even worry about that. So, but then again, like I said, that was my first look at the Bowman cards. It was nice. Got an auto out of one of the boxes, and I got a ton of cards for my PC and some nice rookies. And like I said, I'm expecting a mail day. It should be here today, so I'll probably do it either tonight or tomorrow. But other than that, YouTube, when I get some more boxes or anything else in the mail, I will make another video. Hitman out, YouTube. Later.